So on day 21 of the AI Advent Calendar, and we're looking at Alloy. So Alloy is a prototyping tool that I use when I want to make changes in the product. So Replit I use when I'm making something completely from scratch. But let's say that I just want to change something on a certain page that allows me to use our exact design system. So I'll give you an example. So here is an example of the gov.uk passport page. So let's say that I want to make changes in that. All I've got, once you've downloaded it, you've got this extension at the top here, and you go click to capture. And I'm going to pause it because it takes a couple of minutes. So once it's captured the page, you tell it what it likes to build. So I like to start off with just saying, just rebuild this page. So you could give it instructions in that, but I think it's quicker if you just basically say rebuild the page. So let me just pause while it's doing that. So that has given a complete copy of the document, that the website that you've given it, and all you have to do is put all you need to do is basically type what changes you want. So for example, for this one, I want to change that into homeless application form. So we've been using Hounslow as a standard, and we want to make a national one using the gov.uk style. So all we need to do, say change the content. So really you would actually write out what the content is and say what it was, but I'm just going to give it what's on that website for quickness. Change the content to be about applying as homeless. Okay, I'm just going to pause that while it does that. There we go. So it's basically changed all that content into homeless content in the right style. Sometimes there's a little thing that might go wrong. So for example, that should be white. So we can just select that. We can just change it. So it's as simple as that. So it's really good if, let's say, the dev says, oh, what content do you want, what label do you want on this form? You can just copy the page and you can basically just change any content, and so they've got an exact replica of what it should look like. Right, hope that's helpful.